Pocahontas, a tale of unity, respect, and preserving nature. Once upon a time, in the heart of the Native American land, there lived a young woman named Pocahontas. She was a free-spirited and adventurous soul, deeply connected to nature and the spirit of the land. Pocahontas had a unique ability to communicate with animals and had a profound understanding of the world around her. One day, as her tribe faced conflict with the arrival of English settlers, Pocahontas encountered John Smith, a courageous and curious explorer. Despite their differences in culture and background, Pocahontas and John Smith formed a deep connection, bridging the gap between their two worlds. As their friendship blossomed, Pocahontas taught John Smith the importance of respecting and appreciating the natural world. She showed him the harmony and balance that existed within their land, urging him to see beyond the immediate desires of his people. But tensions escalated between the settlers and the Native Americans, driven by fear, greed, and a lack of understanding. Pocahontas knew that she had to find a way to bring peace between the two groups, to restore harmony and prevent a devastating conflict. In a daring act of bravery, Pocahontas intervened, just as a battle between the settlers and her tribe seemed inevitable. She risked her life to stand between the two factions, urging them to see the similarities that united them and the beauty of the land they shared. Her powerful words and unwavering belief in unity touched the hearts of both sides. Pocahontas's act of courage and compassion inspired the settlers and her tribe to find common ground, to coexist peacefully and respect the land they inhabited. Through her actions, Pocahontas taught everyone the importance of understanding, empathy, and preserving the natural world. She showed that true strength lies not in conquest and dominance, but in compassion and harmony with the earth and its inhabitants.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it educational and fun. If so, please hit the like button below to show your support. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos by clicking on the screen now. Thanks, and we look forward to bringing you more stories soon. Have a great day.